the talking and respected by you. May this network respect itself. That's the world updates. Updates no with me. Oh, you boy. Alright guys, for tap as you're watching me, it was network. The network cut me off just now. You understand? Share this video guys. When I invite those two will be with the Murphy and the Socken. Promised land. I must greet you. What of national peace to reign. What of national peace to reign.
Looking for 2025's must-have accessory? Source hot-selling jewelry, eyewear, watches, and accessories on Alibaba.
Yeah, it's your boy Prince Kelvin Alaska. The music spiritual. And
What's up for the gifts? That's Mr. Brokos. You will do what up? Yes, gonna share this video, gonna call me Orionba family. When the social media like Basse, the only social media live video presenter where don't go palace, drink water for inside palace. The pursue come for inside palace. Now Eddie Murphy. Is he another presenter? Me wanna share me. You let Percy, Eddie Murphy, genocide. Yes. Eddie Murphy, genocide. But that one no cast. Anagbegwe, adenyame akai. Umenwan. Hey! As the baby one on Shaggy Nation. Okay. Yara. Mama, Arimi na mi owa. Omo no mind seti wa mi na mi o. Oh ye. Emi seti sunu rewo. Emi seti odion we na wo kan le mo bowo. Ada ho. Arila ho. rena wane gbe o. Arila o rena kinegbe. Okina nori obo. Okina nori obo. Ogbe na dere bode o. Ona riro wa o. Ogbe na dere bode ona riro wa o. Aye mwa we mi go se re ni we mo Ojinora maga goloma. Gagwa levi no yo. Adame da o agize demio. Ivie do me o. Anyamena kena mojo jire o. Adevori abina ngona o. Ona na ri o. Oni ngona ri o. Enegbe meni yo. Awe di mama yo dugbo awe si remo fi utoku. Abala bala bala. Ari mo me ma we na ge mu ye mo mo me kwa o. Àwọn na nga fi wa ni sai. Egi saro. Ivie do nge wa gi àwọn na egbe o. Wa gi àwọn na egbe o go bugbe o e. Ekpo ne dede. Yagba mane wo vira. Ekpo ne dede yagba mate lo rije. So mina liye nako. Emi ya fi wiye o. Ari obo, ari owe wa ri owe. Uwe. Ayaga ne pepe. Ivie do me no baye. Ayaga ne pepe na mona funi mani. Ase wario. Owe ya yoda o. Ahawale lo we ya yoda o ko. Eba fiera. Mami ronga ma kwa o. Eba unse mami yoda o le ya ye. Pato, why yes, we didn't have what the move. Come over you. Let me call my week first. You get my point now.
More money and more dreams make it home. Family to create lives with your BECKY. Download the app today.
So can I we go? Eriyo na boroboro. Sta yame. Ikana ko dawo yo ya be good view. Awo yego. E moni ra ya gi ya ta ma dura yo. Wanira. Oh ya ta ma dura wa. Abata para ko dog yo yi family. Share this video, let's go there. Share this video, let's go there. Zoom in. Zoom in. switch to aside network. Wow. Wow. But when they are you. Was pumping me up no switch. Yeah. No switch. Just yeah. Switch. Yes. Yeah. Love this fucking damn window. I don't know the one is the national breeze. Can freeze me. Can pick up ice. Okay. Let me use my data. If it go work. You get my point now. One play video for this useless is okay. Go off the video where you do last night. Before my network go wake up. Because make I off this network on them again. It be no be. My network.com. That is my outside web data.com. I believe so you guys are hearing me. If you're hearing me, power tap and say yes, you're hearing me. Let's go there. You get my point now. All because of women on my diary, my women. You will get my titikwa. Not titikwa in our coro. Matitikwa. What will you say? You want to say, Titikwa, no, I'm going to put me now. You I see like better at the end of the day. Go no go come no come. You understand? You go ja, no, you get drugs. The money you made was from drugs. At the end of the day, they all go vanity is upon vanity. Today you're on social media street begging for money. See how useless you are. That is it. You have money you couldn't invest. Look at you today now. Why you go down to my room, you been solo your room. Anything you sow for this life, now you reap. You get my point now. That's why you just titikwa like okoro just like that. Because you don't use your money, invest and where. We will not see the where both different juju, where more boso or bono ya fear for one myself. We don't useless here, more boy. You don't boy it's your body because he believes he has money, was spending money for little daughter. With Frankfurt train station. The money can the police in Muya, I'm here. So I put that boat down on our where Jim. But the baby Yannick, if you now sentence Yannick up the post in Kariwa, Yeah, but 2 days ago, but we 2 days or 1 month or 6 months, I will release it. At the end, where are those? Where are the money now? Esu now they made 20 naira. If the devil give you 20 naira, he go collect 1 million for your hand. There is nothing like the blessing of God. If God bless you, that blessing is permanent. This he goes one and from back. So upon once he get money, rich big man, multi-millionaire. You carry drugs for Germany, carry cocaine, carry sell Morocco. Every day a native daughter. Today, where are you now? You don't dig ground. Children don't abandon you. Family don't abandon you. Friends don't abandon you. All the money you acquire with all the risk you took abroad, where are the money? It's vanity upon vanity. Vanity upon vanity. They call you for party, they throw away money, they spray money, they're going to hate you. Today now, where is you? Where are those friends? Where are those your friends who will spray you, who you will spray money for? Everything on this earth is vanity upon vanity. The people you play for one night, they are still in Germany, they are enjoying their works. They are enjoying the little they have through God Almighty. You that played them for one night, you that's a visa fraudster, that fraud them of visa you not give them, money you not give them, you base you run. Today now stroke hold you for ground. You are sick, you don't even do okay again. You see the way God they punish you now. Una we go look person face, una go shook hand for the person face, una go make if you want make it cry. No, see, every day for thief, one day for the owner of the house. The same woman when you fraud money, you are the Murphy, when I fraud money, the woman still there gently. They enjoy herself. Now you there social media, not the beg. You and the soccer. Now I tell me they're not the beg. Now you and the soccer, they say, no gay, well, but we have no gay. That is life for you. Whatever a man soweth, shall he reap. Whatever you sow, now on the reap soon. Yeah, it's okay. Me I play soccer audio. Me I play video where they do yesterday night. After I don't collect woto for media, for my platform yesterday, he not fit sleep. It's okay not fit sleep, but you got a pepper. It just like in your life what to talk. They cost me. So can no cost when you want cost me. We want affect me, not the. No cost when you want cost for this earth. We want to say somebody the cost. You know the reason why. The sleepers where my wife came mass grand for bedroom. You know the child. If bats are walking me yari loto, it's okay, my combine with a demon fear, combine with a if bats are walking me yari loto, you get the point now. So that's the reason why if any image as small as I be so, when me 20 now, according to you and your husband, when me 20 now, me na ti marry go we only webu, I be done. Ya de boyo. Me na ti mo ko only gboto, I'm a don general. O dumato boy. O tutu no no why. You understand? That's to let you know anyway, when it's okay. To me, you are a remnant. I'm not a dog that eats remnants. Medicine is somewhere in me. You understand? I be an Suana or because they don't look women. I go on my destiny. I you understand? First of all, so can I go and view her from up to down. I don't want to go to her heart alone. Just look at the physical appearance. Why when he bats and walk me a little master. Number one, the champion. Sale. Ben of philosophy and help. Okay. Illiterate family. You get me now? Go and ask. Go Joe, go ask. Who ya know? Who ya know? Who ya all your money? When trained or when brought up. The one man you understand? You understand? My plaster, but my cocoa. What? If your father will not sign for a trolley to carry you come abroad, I'm not trafficking. Oh, you get the point. If your father will not sign for a trolley to carry you come abroad, I'm not trafficking. Oh, you get the point. When you young there, I think when you were, but you was nothing. I mean, what the shot? So I get out. If you leave him, that was mais Mario Yagbeu. Mario illiterate. It's a part of Jehovah's Witness. Ogwati, Ogwagbe. You get an error Jehovah's Witness. Ogwati, Ogwagbe. You get the point now. Money, go and look at my children. Number one, I have a bona. A black yard with first week in a boji. A boy already wants to join to be a money explain when you yell why a 19 years old boy. Or might he explain when you yell your wife and you call that a son? A boy already talk who you are. Obi we want to say me name meeting. Obi we no matter explain. We no usually why or who we. O matter say me. Edimofi. If your 19 years old son could not explain say that the thief come house, they come with gun or they come with cutlass. 19 years old, all cannot disown anything whether they sow for this life, and they reap. Anything we wish other children, if they come to your children. If you wish other children well, God will bless your own children. If you let go of other children, it will reverse back. It will reverse back your own children. You understand now? What's what a bomb na te media now? When I did what's what bomb na te media now? A boy, I don't say the man. Go and look at your own children and immediately forget. If you were you they're not useless. If you were useless. It's nowhere to be talk of. You will see other women now. They bring out their children. They are elegant. They are beautiful. I'm so cute. Et moi, je suis bien. Ou derrière moi, je suis bien. I bleach moi, I children. They are elegant. They are beautiful. I'm so cute. Et moi, je suis bien. Ou derrière moi, je suis bien. I bleach moi, I with more. You're gonna get joy. Italians here, able to be here, able to be here, in love with you. Well, able no matter like a mother who will like come, or like come away. Just look at my life. Living in 2 rooms for how many years with 6 of you guys, 6 families inside 2 rooms. Inside 2 rooms. Where do I agree? Me go and me no me no about the smile. Maybe I agree. Maybe I agree. 3 boys, 1 girl, father, mother, inside 2 rooms. I be one room supporting. Why you know? 1 small room with the up. But I'm hearing no people there. Nick video one. Oh yeah, no. I die for.
Busy bloody Halloween. 5 children, 5 father Sunday. All of you wealthy. On a ouvrier job. On est grave ouvrier job. On parle ouvrier pita. Et ouvrier pas qu'on est là. Useless egot. Or soon. That girl was the Murphy goddaughter. Okay, Eddie Murphy goddaughter. You said you are looking for a visa. That don't want a visa. Or then I go on here no a visa. Or that you have here na. Ona you know, but when I introduce it, we get to go get where the muffin suma, and where the muffin talk bugwa. What I don't want to get the muffin bugwa bagbo. And the muffin I want like more than me. Oh, we bugwa no even like quick county. No, 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 you could to the royal busy. No, you be no, quick, be your talk. Okay, to last year. I know I was sick. A year left for waffle. Oh, bagbo. What the muffin or talk boy.
This is what we call emotional blackmail. First of all, when you for born again, not no guy, is that? I mean the dragon was how is how we na high, but I go dragon. Ik bolu wala jan wuvun wala you know me ko born. If I talk with this video, I'm going to say I dey talk. No, this is the kind of talk. I know it's not the talk. Now I said. Before Imatikwa could go back to Nigeria, after the police on the front, they don't go hide. Wow, I get a lot to say, a lot of to reply this woman now. Make what's the what we have here? It's okay. Sit down, make a list of this video, and I'm going to send you message. It's okay. I want me to do video, reply me. Now you don't get problem. Now you bring saga, come on, you saga this man, ex-wife. So that's why the saga now turn against you. You know the reason why, sister. Not vessel. Then understand. The lie what you like on the media. You know, say we will be the presenters. You don't be presenters. You just want to jump inside. So that's why you're going to make mistake. We're going to correct your mistake. You feel me? So before you come into social media, say you want to do presenters, guy, get your facts clear. Get your facts clear. Get your proof. Get your evidence clear before you come to do media. Because if not, if you drop line for media, how good because you know they don't understand English. Yeah, that time we got drop in the media, we got 10 in the media. A presenter not down here in Utani. Oh yeah, not a leg in Uta. Oh yeah, not a leg in Uta. What are you here? I know ni. Oh, do me what another way. Okay, what another way. You know, tell what another way. People me. If we don't move, no can't drop a line. Oh, you know, so that's okay. Now, we will cast. We will have the video saga a Becky. Uti a shawo tie ya telezi ikoro. O matter me work ba wo ga je Becky gbegbe aga. You wo ga ge Becky, wo ga me be Becky o matter. You understand? One of my brother, I know him. Kevin Mercedes. Mr. Kevin Mercedes. Obi a wo kuna ro wodo. Mr. Kevin Mercedes. A very prominent man I respect so much. Me, I shall tell say you see the bug this woman. You understand? But that's the problem. That one on Facebook, we'll talk that one. We'll talk that one for YouTube. You understand? Mr. Kevin Mercedes. When I share this video because this matter. Because the more they break, the more they investigate all your words. Any lie where you drop for media, I'll go around. I'll go investigate them. And I get the fact I'll come to him. Because they cover up the real truths. They bring the lie to favor you and your husband. Whereas every atrocity about this family, it join now. Now give the document to the hustle. Even when this one, people die for Deutschland, everything, they in touch with me. Now, listen. Mr. Kevin Mercedes was also bugging this woman. Mr. Gucci also they bug this woman. Even as we speak, Becky still they beg Gucci for she to come back to Gucci. A lot of this set of women wanted to have Gucci. Go reach Mama Melissa. They are saying Melissa. They are all squad who was eager to have Gucci. Oh yes, and they do my investigation gradually. And anybody where this part of the evolve about the dragon will come out one after the other. Now, not my platform. I told you, you understand? But nevertheless, I will not accuse those women. You know why? If you see man when you like, now me they talk and say, if man not toast you, toast man. Especially when you are not married, you see man when you like, go for that man. No problem. But don't claim to be saints. The doping system must be activated so that you go fresh when you are young. I will care you will depressed. It can't be depression. You understand? You can't set it there. Oh God, you get my point now. So whenever it's normal. As far as you're not married, you don't have issue with me. But say it the way it is. It's okay. No work at Timothy. According to what you said, in the first video you did, you never said how this guy enter Nigeria. Eriyo boss here. Eriyo pesage. If you go back, one drive if you go back, or tell any maya kubok manam Nigeria. Or Nigeria. For your barrier why you did not explain. Now this man was having nothing. According to you from the video, a man ago, even of Magwe, when your amigo know the ticket, you never measure it. Who were the people that make her to get money to get ticket? Who were those people? It's okay, I want to explain to the general public. Because to my verification, when I verify this issue, when I investigate this matter, after my thorough investigation about this whole scenario, this man, somebody meets Eddie Murphy. According to my investigation, somebody meets Eddie Murphy. Tell Eddie Murphy say he need visa. He want carry his sister come abroad. Eddie Murphy directed that woman to this man. Say this man they do visa. This man communicates with this woman. They have communication. After set of done, they conclude pay me 3,000 euro first, which he paid. The woman paid. It's okay. You don't need to come lie. You don't already talk to for you now. Oh, tell me what them I will still play this audio game. When I talk and they say they lie. This woman paid the money. He paid the money finish. Now give this man your husband documents. He use until zoom off, buy ticket, zoom off. Your husband collect 1,500 from this man. Umay told you. You never talk that one. The aduro where your husband chop. How now? This one a toy for where your husband did. In other word beyo. Other word die when ya. Anything where the Murphy, what is man tell? What the Murphy tell this man do? Yes. You understand? Because all this man's secret there, the Murphy found. Now, it's okay. That was how this man flew down to Bongo, where he take God for Nigeria today. You never mentioned it. After I did the video yesterday, you came out to the middle of the night because you go watch the video. Hey, Frank and Oga, you go watch the video. What did they pay you? Hey, almost, Oga. Now that's him also. Now they expose you for the whole world to know who you really be, who your husband be. The evil that you guys have played, the 419 game that you guys have been playing in Deutschland. That's how you make money in Germany and live. God, Ian and 419 want to listen. He also do a video say, yeah, with visa. Anybody will go and do visa your own or your for you. Straight down. Or your for you. Because if you be, you don't go fit draw. Oh, I was saga. But nevertheless, I did here. I'm going to beat him. You get my person? I'm going to beat him. Don't be joke. All that matters is have proof, have evidence of what you are saying. Now, when I hear them, now I want to show.
Look, why wanna be a dismissing blood in lolo here?
Are you different?
Five father Sunday.
Really?
Or if you wipe it. Oh no, over jump.
I don't know the person we talk so.
Over jump. Don't know Peter. If you go back when in here, useless egot. Was soon. That girl was the Murphy goddaughter. Okay, Eddie Murphy goddaughter, you said you are looking for a visa. That don't want a visa.
Useless he goes. That girl was a Murphy goddaughter. Mete girl, okbia me him. More he goes, agree. You might be 5 children. So don't work high. Grass. Yes, the Murphy goddaughter. Okay, go ahead. So can you say your Eddie Murphy goddaughter when I mean the Murphy where you will no visa. The Murphy never go on here no visa. Other ivie. So what I said was true. So why you not shouting? Why you start ranting? Why are you not shouting? Why are you not ranting? It's okay. We are so you not think baby you more. So even in my time, immediately what I got on and then you have confirmed it where it was true. The goddaughter of Eddie Murphy meets Eddie Murphy and told Eddie Murphy he needed visa. Visa. Eddie Murphy directed the goddaughter to this man. What did my back to? Continue, my sister.
You know, but when I introduce it, we get to go get where Eddie Murphy suma. When Eddie Murphy talk, What the Wale get the muffin, get the muffin book of Agbon. The muffin while like Bolay, always book one, not even like quick county, never even like a yow, not even quick to Naroye.
Waiting. So okay, calm down, be calming down. This your words no match line. Any people, anybody get play with the muffin, they carry the muffin on the ground. If you eriyo get play with the muffin, or the girl carry the muffin. You know, take get proud mom, or never play with the muffin, also the girl carry the muffin. Iye Melissa play with the muffin, also the girl carry the muffin. What is your problem? What they carry the muffin and I papa. Only sang but that walk. Yeah, you got carry the muffin. My sister that one not the work. That's kind saga. You don't say what they don't pass. He can't win. He win. He walk because when I po. I will sagani bros. It's okay. I will. You don't say we don't do that. I sagani better than that one old school. We do new. We sit down now. They analyze saga analysis. Actually, saga analysis. Oh, I analyze it. Oh, I'll give you a point. Oh, I'll give you a proof. Or even if you're already yes, you know what you are saying. The thing is sweet. They will not say you know what you talk. No, what I have to the movie. What I can do movie. I can't believe beside. Any iye-eki sister, we forget it. Walk by Yakiani, walk by Yakiani, stay with Yakiani. A matured woman will not. A reasonable matured woman, intelligent woman will not stay with that lunatic called the movie. You understand? On your man not gonna. Mati okay, the one you will continue. The Elijah will continue. That was not somebody. You get to my point now. I didn't do it. I didn't do it there. I wasn't there. I did it there. You understand me now? I didn't do it. So okay. Very sorry, my sister. Let's listen to you more. You get to my point now.
No, ìyá lẹ́fù wá fò wá òwò àbágbọ́n wọ́n ti mọ́ fí ọ̀tọ̀ gbò ìmá títí kọ́ alájà mi social media náà yá sí ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀ àwọn olóyà mi rẹ̀ di owó dà wà mí donate kó kéré nẹ àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ wà fi èyí góní èfi sálọ kí ni ìnà tún ẹ̀ mọ́. What will you say about the visa no dey not twen? No twen man I use e yapa. Why am you ego?
No, I don't understand. It's okay. What visa no dey not you? Or the visa not you? Automatic visa yapa. Or no visa ni. Or me admission with Jamie. Or ya like Deutschland. I get the visa ni. Or man get visa yapa. That means the visa is fake. That means it's a fake visa, right? That means the visa is fake. Would anyone have a visa who is ready to travel and the visa doesn't want to travel? That means the visa is what? Fake. I don't know. Allegedly. Yes, I just talk now from the word we come out for our mouth. If not true, say they give a visa, don't use the visa. The visa doesn't want to travel. That means the visa is not a fake visa. You understand? Because everybody will get a visa, go to fly. So if they give you visa, not if they travel, that means the visa is not fake visa. I don't know. You know what's up? You get my point now. Or you know before. Well, let's go. That means waiting and talking the truth. You don't confess. You don't put in what a muscle. You don't listen to your man. Yeah, we boy, no get we don't down how can the mafia go on. Umenwan was all Wahala. The drag my nyas become out. I know they support evil. Me ma yana wana zuwa na me mo de gboto I won't wada that when I'm wada o me nada. No the reason why I feel deal with now. Aron abo egiaje. I not dare anybody hand. I'm free, I'm flying like a bird, I'm flying like a bird, I'm flying like a bird. I free finish. That's why they use money to touch everybody. They spray my grenades for their body with two. Tell you what, you get to my point now. No the reason why. Nobody will borrow me money to do marriage. Nobody will say play voice record, me you record voice record for me if in case you don't pay. You know they. So nobody hold my voice record hostage. We don't go make pretty vibes. You get to my point now. Nobody the same money. My daughter, my son, and do this person, saga this person. I will send you this money. You don't dare. Nobody get my voice record to saga me. That's the reason why they talk to all of them. Not be say many of them not get sense so. Like a no now. Not be say you not get sense so, but you not go fit talk now. I want to talk. I want cause tribal war. Hello. They know we are truth there for this whole scenario. Now na carry person come out make they donate money for her. Now na still they do saga. They can't jump for the saga now. Now they cry. Emotional blackmail. You see the system where they want use. They know say the woman not go like to saga or not go like to come out and talk. So if they saga the woman, automatically the woman go want to spend money for the man. If the secretary only a woman BECKY. Unfortunately, the table turn around. When it talk God bless you, my baby mama. When it's sucking, I get bena. Udare. Give your banana. A table turn in now. What boy do what day? Hello. Very keep up. Can I say the truth? Very keep up. All these my followers, I make careful, I swear. Oh, we very keep up. I don't tell what I want to tell what I. I said it. You go a keep up here. Oh my God! But that's not a problem. Let's continue listening to this buffalo. It's okay, what buffalo? Okay, the movie. Frankie, I'll go in your way, Frankie. Frankie, okay, the movie warrior now. Frankie, we respect. Omozo, we respect you. Okay, the movie warrior now. What book? Where is what best answer? Oh my God, I've heard that for a tea. What's the level?
So therefore, rubbish wayata, you people are talking nonsense. You are talking out of sense. Because say no whatever, no point, don't be.
We are talking out of sense.
We are talking out of life.
My people, because American, if you want to don't want to say, my son will say, if you want it, yeah, I did the year to go, no money to your son, you will say. Also, na beg away, ma, one of our say, my wahi. My discriminate, my Roma, we help people. We did do good for people. You say that good all they do for people, now they beat us to now continue cry blood. Why I move me, huh? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a F. If I give you a weird, you talk about doctor. If I got doctor people or lily, they to me, they see when it's something before Jaji, Cotipon Jaya Sonny. People that do come to my house those days, that was even moving with me. I take them as my own. As me, I be say, I know they look on other side. Say I don't carry my husband. I only hear here. Me may think I be like Biele. Ya want the lele ya. Mogeva, Mogia, Agigualo, what of Mogene. Agigualo, and look at almost on the way. Money ibu abielena, I think or Manoa, not the way abielena, I mean, of your said, or you can free.
How did it feel?
Timothy see one. When Timothy talk good, and Timothy
see the person near me visa. Hey, Waka. Why you go be nation? You know, we're going with 5 children, 5 father. So when the 5 children, 5 father, where we go, if you wear the ra, why can wear if you wear the ra with Deutschland dinner? And apart from that, it's okay. I'm married where as a wife. You are a baby mama. I'm married where, and the most married where even your supposed father or my collected bride prize. Or what you're seeing, Robert Bawoki. Or maybe the money, the movie bride prize to get it tomorrow. Go and ask. Yeah, call this one, Nejo, that who is your palore. I would just say, you palore, read that money. Either when you bride prize out, because or what the movie want. Ni ari soke na ni soke vi o ma gbon ni ajanu. Janu bia. Mo kanye jo. Ni ya on we gbiyan di on we gbiyan. Fake marriage akuliyan yi palore. Ara mi tagi di go ne on ko ogin apano kugbegbere on ri di go fi po. So that is to tell you we soke we mamare. Honestly, when I do a guy, when my bed a picture they said the woman, uma be ke ona assist gatia ga whoever. And then it to face ire. E to face ire because when ke nwa go hu zana. E to face ire. That very night ni ale boss ni aviora woligbo. Iyari gele we soccer the day patini. That was 8 years ago. The two face ire. Iyara we soccer. In my present, every time do we have mom do we. Isokege gbaligbofo. Pishonyo ye gume me rae. Isoke after when she don't rap it go finish. Now so those boys, all this lema, all this book boys. Now so they begin to vaga isoke. Iyagbe whoop. Oh azua, abina fogbe. All the bus driver, conductor, even the book people they park gutter. Now your because they start to they do. Any picky when one start to do because they say well I'm so get. Any akati when enter Nigeria you say well I'm so get. Even at the month where you go carry, not be at the month your friend be your boyfriend before you be one marry. You the grace.
I know that one. I hear that one. I hear.
Grace. Not be at the month, not be you antagonize at the month because you see and say you just come for abroad. You the mad. Ogun brueji joa o abi ogun gbeli ni joa o. O tonotom o jo tonotom we jo we na we gbera abi to fiawu we na shi wele ku we ki jo o ija mo bo vie o ke mo egbo re no ka se wa poli pologwe o meme awa bi jo gba jo en go na no ka se wa na poli po ere na gele ami o te bini plaza e to iju we fova
Exactly.
we akpa iju are iju akpa we are e wa ya like ya wa no wo we jo do my pikin. Do me do my picking. I know who is what, know who is what away. Eh, one when you kiakpa, what bell? Can't tell me your history where I don't know you the Chris. Can't tell me your history where me not know by myself. Very a wobbling there. Scallywag, we don't get inside. I go and look for the father of your children, it's not allegedly. I said it boldly. Go and look for the father of your children because they got no father. Fatherless children. Wow, for national peace to exist. When I shower, more time away. It's not allegedly, it is real. Matitikwa was weighing. Where ya would a picture nano. Yara we o ga wa sisigina wa kulo bojo we e kena ga de wa vion we kena ga de wo na ga sigbo sie enofu an rock I mean a see wa mi ne re ba gba e mu ni ya ge mu wa gbona un soke la le ya wa mi na wa ri yo rubbish a shower zone we what when you rob what do what don't go you when at
Tempo.
Hello, good evening.
Good
good
evening.
morning.
Very good morning. So I greet you that well. Bros Frank, thank you so much. Now when you they play this video, so now I tell no, say it's okay, they insult me. You see, it's okay. I've always been doing this thing.
Who they
Every
talk?
little thing will come out.
Who they talk?
Now Lady Young they talk. Now Lady Young, Vera, now they talk.
Okay. That one will do better when I forgot if anything.
Yes. And I mean it's okay, they insult for that video, so now me she they insult.
Oh lojibole come now come hear your history and stay go thief come.
So every little thing is okay. They get opportunity. Every little opportunity they insult me. It's so unfortunate say, because say she get bigger platform. They use that against me. I have been a loyal daughter to Eddie Murphy. Yes, I have been a loyal daughter to Eddie Murphy. We were not just like we were not friends. We were family. It's so unfortunately say a go sit down always. They see it's okay, they come out on live, they insult me. You know, go tell and say, remember the time when we take play. It's okay, no, if you come and say now, say, oh, there we are for the fair insult her. It's okay, only some months stay senior me now the same year they born two of us. But I always they call her iye-eki, iye-eki, iye-eki. I have never even mentioned the name, so it's okay. If I call her iye-eki, will do a now she they mention my name. Vera, Vera, Vera. Me, I did give that respect because of a pa. So if it comes of age, how many you take senior me? It's okay. You could come out. They make this video on top of my head for middle of the night. You know how Imatitikwa Matate play. As I write that write up, I was expecting you, Odaepa, Imatitikwa, to come and say, oh, it will not better. And everything happen. It don't happen. We just forget her. After all, not be that money, I say the leave she's there. After all, I've moved on. But you know how everything take place. Imatitikwa ran away to Morocco. He can't see there say Tiagi. They never closed that case. It's still very open. After the bailer, when he ran, he said he will come back. You know what? He will pay. That's what he said at Morocco. Now, matter for yes, Imatitikwa don't enter Morocco. So ever since then, I not set my eyes on this man anymore. I was shocked to not see him on live video begging. Of course, a fuck up of 100 years to come. He see a fuck up.
Exactly.
That should trigger me and say, this man, so they may not know the whereabouts of this man, they did not even inform us. Okay, let's assume so now forget. You for call person at my own. Let's assume you people forgot. At least as I write down, it's supposed to trigger una. Say, hey, that's true. Okay, let's join hands. Let's call these people. Hey, what's it up? See, as this man content suffer. Maybe if I even get one there, I go say, party the take. Okay. I go say, party the take. He said, you know, hear from me. You know, yes, see, I carry matter go anywhere. Now, my write up on my platform, I for the rights. So are you not telling me before, because you have a bigger platform, I cannot cry again on top of my 5,500? At this time, my people, 5,500, €100 was 12,000 naira. 5,500, they start too flat. A bag of cement was around 1,000 plus. I cry, come and say, not just write up, I write, oh, my people. I didn't even call the soccer name. I say, Matitikwa, if they don't donate for you, finish, I beg, I will come collect my own. It's not rich for you to call me. Say, wait, I don't want to sit there. I say, as the man condition come be, we go talk as usual if you don't get me for mine. Why is it that you want to always fight with everybody? I have never fought with you. But I am not telling you, I am not scared though. The thing when you say they find me ever since then, this saga when you say they find me, it's okay. You have built a beast. You have built a beast. You don't match me. I am fucking ready for you. Because I have never offended you one day. So what that video you make last night, learn insult upon my children enemy. It's okay. When man they iye-eki, a man iye-eki to boy. Have I ever insulted social media president? Has there been any way I have offended you people? I have been a lawyer daughter. A lawyer daughter to the core. There's no party you will organize that our one level will not enter every year. Is it the time you were organizing social media get together party? Or is it your birthday? We were family. We have gone beyond. It's so unfortunate that you could make such video. You have gone far. You have insulted me enough. You see those insults. You have built a beast. You have built a beast upon this social media surface. But one thing, I will not saga you with lie. I will not saga you with they say. If I have to come out to reply your voice, your video you make last night, I will not saga you with what people told me. I will answer you with what I have seen. I have heard with what you have told me. If you lied on me, I am not just your ordinary Nigeria ghost.
Umenwan.
I will summon you spiritually in a
Hi.
sector where you have never been.
Oh.
I will not saga you with lie. I will not saga you with let's say they tell me no. If you have to warrant to that stage, if we have to get to that stage, and you will have me no choice, I will put on my temple uniform. I will come out and say the truth that I have always witnessed the way it happened, the Matitiqual issue. I will come out and say it to the world without adding Maggie, without adding any percent. And then I will also tell you, if you know that this is not how it happened, let me summon your spirit when you are asleep. And you go and summon my spirit when I'm asleep, anywhere you know. Because you in your video you said we should go and curse Dominico Labore when I'm where the first 3,000 money naira was euro was sent to a Dimofi account in a year. No nisa gane no hoy miamia no nisa
Okay.
na miamia no hoy miamia. The first 3,000 euro was sent to a Dimofi account. And it's okay. Have you forgotten so fast, so soon? I did not forget. I did not forget. So please, if you want to trade with caution. You are a mother. Trade with truth. You are a mother. I am not just your normal people, your Nigeria people. You people have built me. I went far because
Wait to
of this
Madam
kind
Verse.
of thing.
Madam Verse, I beg. The first 3,000 euro where you send, now the money I can't put them.
Exactly.
Now she
Without
talk for this
adding
video
to it.
say, now she talk for this video say, again when now you gonna take what we hear the money associate.
That was why I laughed. You
Just
see,
imagine
I
Eddie
have to
just collect that
refresh.
money.
I have to
Eddie
refresh her
only.
no, it's okay. Oh, I have to refresh her memory. You see, I have to refresh her memory. Maybe she
Baba with
forgot.
a smile. Alright,
Maybe she
well.
forgot.
What so what
I
I
have
happened?
greet
to
the house. I greet everybody.
He has great you.
I
As a
have to
mama,
refresh.
I greet you, ma. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you very
I
much.
I
have
greet the
can
house.
I talk now?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, you can.
I have to refresh her memory. Maybe she forgot, okay? Because maybe a lot of things has happened, she forgot. But I
Now
am
share
not
this
telling her.
video.
The first 3,000 euro that was paid through Eddie Murphy. Because I respect him so much. And it's okay, knew how everything played out. So I don't want us to come to this to this end to be sagging ourselves. If we are no longer friends, if you are not comfortable with me, must it end in saga? It's okay. Must this friendship end in saga? Must it end in saga? Why not remember the old days? Why not remember the old time? Bella was here, Oduanewo, Emobo. I used to remember it. If you don't, I do. Why not remember the time we see each other in the party and we party together? Those sacrifices, or you don't think it's sacrifice? Why coming out just to humiliate me, calling me names that is not mine? It's okay. If you come out again to call me name, I'm putting on my temple gown. For your information, I am not wearing that white again. I'll be promoted because when I started wearing that white, I know that you also sue the same white for yourself because you do not know the meaning. I am not, I have been promoted. So when I come out, I am coming out with my temple gun. I will take a permission and I'm not going to lie because when you are on that gun, you don't lie. I will say exactly how it played out, how it happened. I see no reason why I came out. I want to draw my money. You are obstructing me. You want to block my mouth. It's okay. Come out and tell me how many people is owing you 5,500 euro and is still alive. Can't I cry? Can't I talk? Because I once made friends with you. Because I was once with you. I cannot cry out anymore. Using your platform to oppress me every minute and day. Because I don't have a bigger platform. No. And you have built a beast. I have collectively collect everything that I want to collect. I have seen how you saga. I have seen how you do it. I must tell you, you have built a beautiful monster, and you will not like to see me in that uniform. So please, calling my kids' name, calling me 5 children with 5 papa. What if I come out and tell you, let's drag it from here. If I ever have 5 children, 5 papa, let's start from there. It's okay, please, let's not go far. Remember the days of our friendship. Don't let us go far. Give me the time to cry. After all, I did not ask you for this money. I did not mention your name. I did not come for you. Why coming for me every now and then? Why? So, please, I beg you with this media. Please, tread with caution. But remember,
Thank you,
you
ma.
have built a beast. I am ready. All right, sir.
Thank you, ma. I want to ask you a question before you go. You understand? My question is this. Did Imatitikwa did that visa for you, for your sister? We not fit travel. According to his say, away visa in work, but automatically you travel. Is it true? Can you tell us more about that visa? Oh, the person is not a month. All right. If you don't watch me, send request. I want to know about that visa. According to Isoken, he said the man do the visa for your sister. Your sister not use and travel. Is it true? We want to know. I bet send visa. Like you're going to bring her down. Okay, still sound reduce account. Okay, let me bring you up. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now. So
Okay.
my
What
question is,
happened?
it must do the visa for your sister, which also not fit travel. According to Isoken,
Okay.
say
What happened was when I never knew that Imatitikwa has already had a plan on leaving Germany. When they were saying that he traveled, he went back to Nigeria, he used my money to buy tickets to Nigeria. He was having no 1 naira. And then I was not aware of all this. So I never knew he was just looking for the platform, the opportunity to run to Nigeria. So that money just came as a woof. So he just bought a ticket. He went down to Nigeria. So we started following up. Epa, please, when are you going to do the visa? When is it going to be done? We started following up and all. So it was a long process. Of course, Eddie Murphy was joining me to press him, press him, press him. One day he called and said there is a visa of 3 days. Like he told me, said, are you visa on that? There's a visa in the passport, and the visa started counting. The visa is 10 days visa, and it started counting some 7 days ago. And you are telling me, like today now, next tomorrow, the visa will be expired. You understand? That trigger my action. Nobody be mumu for this game now. You understand? After paying such money, Epa, no, you cannot tell me that. Okay, now you use the visa to go. No, they go cash me. They go cash me. I know go fit take go. It is not that they gave us the passport. No, and as we speak, the passport is still with Timothy Tikwa. The passport is still with Timothy Tikwa. I never seen that passport. I have never seen it in my life. Like we gave him an empty passport. The visa, we never set our eyes on it. So the passport is still with him. But what are you not doing now? Okay, you said it's 3 days. No, they will catch me. It's just for me to buy ticket and go and come back. I cannot enter. You understand? So he now said, don't worry, they will put another visa. So the whole struggling was just there. Okay, pa, please, let them put visa. He said he just wants to use this one to tell us that he can do it. You understand? So that was how it happened. So we started dragging and dragging. And, hey, pa, you say you can do this thing. You do it now. no worry, she not me say put that first one. I will still put another one again. Up till now, there was no turn up until we went to 60 ID and all. So until he ran away from Nigeria, this is the first time I saw that video, seeing him after how many years. So I believe my people, am I not right to come out and say, Pa, no, you are still here. Where's my money? Where's the passport? You people, you should know to get a new passport for such underage child at that time is difficult because she got an admission in Germany and the passport was changed. The name was changed to Imatitikwa's son name. Are you getting the trouble? The name was changed to Imatitikwa's. She's to answer Imatitikwa's son name as his daughter. So Imatitikwa left with the passport. You know the agony, the stress, the pains. This child was suffering from appendix, and she got an admission that is about to expire. The whole tension was high, and we did not see Matidikwa. Nobody to even tell us, Pele, it's okay. No. So up till now, to change a new name is a big deal. The passport is with Matidikwa. So that's it, sir.
Thank you very much. That means you guys never see anything like visa from Matidikwa.
A visa, my dear. Nothing like that. Like just gamer. It's a gaming. It's a gaming. They're gaming this our sister.
No, see like.
No, there's nothing like 10 days visa. There's nothing like 3 days. And you don't even show up to they say, okay, see the 3 days visa I'm gonna take. Give them a passport. Even to even change that name now, come out in or titi one name for that passport. Now, if you know all 500,000 naira, you know official for Abuja. Tia
when no soon game Tia guy woman. I don't know
what Tia guy metana. The guy here.
Woman am where Imatitikwa be a bed moving ya ariwa. Ya go for wa. You understand? A woman I worry go near. And the movie what the document together in way what dagolden here. So based on you continue with your fit and way you know ya rian yo if you me
you never lose you not
no according to this one now okay if get all the visa or you know or see na na o we must take no only represent so you must try to visa of your honey you understand what o we no him we yan adia we Kimatitikwa that's more getting na yanko fly there in Germany. That was the plan. So luckily na but the woman where yes I think in Germany a reason last of the movie ya adio wa.
But another thing, my sister, if you're listening, are you even sure that any passport was issued? That's another thing. I am not sure if passport was also issued. You where do you say give me?
We go one of the generation.
Power greets you bejo. Dimofi Orionba wa sungu.
Wa levi
wa sungu. No, ya wotu na we confess who is way ya dojo. Who are most to sungu. Na ta say ulo na fe unwe gena to boy. Akmi correct to boy.
The person way in the talk to now.com. She was thinking way now this girl bring back for me.
Yeah.
You see like you see as she has got to the exposed it's okay now. On our woman want to me. You know you attack a woman. It's okay, you don't know how I get my information. And the woman I cool. It's a woman I will better the both in ara. The both is okay. Now this woman do better now.
Yes, no, you're not doing the video. You got
volé le khoni on a le khop back na bi bae mo ko di mo feel la moto
okay
iga re ba ni re vi kuni na ri bae iga di mo feel yan na we o ka drive won ya yi moto so na la moto e di mo feel wa gun na so e wa ge gwa
Oh,
mo gwa di mo fi la moto na de be park moto we ona gbe park no wa gwa ni ha no ware we ona agwa lo han we agbe oji no e ma na iye-eki ga river na wi moto avun ni ga ko mi ji iye no se get e be o ga ni ya mu he la ni iye te get me bi iye-eki iye ke na gbe mu me la ni
because when you are dropping, when you are the woman dele, it's okay. No one say give you
moto evon yo da gbe na ni ma park e ba
I don't guess what we know video here. You know, come and say the man did you when me wa fat the woman me give wa fat the woman me na have the woman where everyone will be live direct. You understand? Na give man can we family you represent.
Franco, after that place, ikore ni aveju. Oha imwenisi ona no mo klisi na we emu o. Oto imwenisi na ikore pa ni ade gbe veju. Yes na. Any more for
beg agbiyan. Even though we shoplifting o. It is we shoplifting. Shoplifting your why jagbe shoplifting. If my boy watch supermarket so kana wa do anyo mu we supermarket no jack gbogbo yan. Ona wa mu fi we nani na push momo.
Ya karelo.
Karelo the way that is. It's okay. Ogyo boglehin. Sageni oge wi asugwa ye wi aleluwa. Ani nesi soke duriye. Eri ye deje o, eri ye wa be ra. Iri wa be la shop eri wa be ra. Fie. Ma wala o tebe de wa ko bi wa bi adu wi di bari na wa mie gege. Na wa bi na who is bad bloody. Ke wa na wa ra. Ena ikabi na bula wa shi gwe wa bi adu wi di bari. Useless ke.
Amigo. Ikoni mayore make. It's okay. Edi mo fi no ma amigo.
O ma amigo mo be di ko ni ya fi.
We bros na to the mo wo to bon. Olorun yen je. O ti make no mo make lawebo. Oyin mi ai no gun emu.
Ibe ta no de ne bra tu be.
O ma me mi ya na.
Ati itamo no de. Ima ta no de.
Okay, we na do mo la we otiye moto wari ayo o de no la omu ya. O ma ona okay. Oge drive oge save ani. Ona we mu owe din na o egbe tie we. Ona we ku ni me la we mo ni sike na yi se ma. Ona yin ya we tin we ditin ye ta ma we edimofi no. O we ye we ejo wo sin na ta wo. Ona we mu ya na la ona yin ya e bros ni ya mu edie.
E ba wa ma re wona bi meta no de.
Ero ya mu ya. Mana mu ma ana de mu ya na ade evani. We ma deni ma live I could phone ma we ku fo. Ana de total. Where yari ya ni mi ya. Edimofi no ma mi go edimofi ga na go a.
Wa ko.
We ya pay hotel. And we pay hotel edimofi na fi yen gbe. I say na ma pay. Magi hotel the session na we me eriyo na we. Ma eti are man ma de ye buy on ma re ma. And pay hotel no ya la po na di go re. Ore ya the next reception how they pay. Edimofi me go. For me Colomba, if you pay hotel, yak from Colon, Ario, wife, you pay ticket. At the office of Kemana go now. I go want to hear Antimotonia. I want to card it. I want to way
more than the master card in Mary.
I want
to do. Come I love you.
A master card if you're no one on if you're not loud. At the muffin card, at the muffin bank card. At the muffin or bank card, not yellow. The muffin bank card. Espakasi ogi soken e olu ari ku e di mo fi unu gba na emu ya jiku na e di mo fi isoken ye ma egbe bank espakasi no regbo wa ni isoken ye o di espakasi ne no ya are 40 euro no ya fi ogbon so 20 euro no ya fi wiku isira no na ya ti eje fu eme moto de ni ke mu ya lele ya mu ya yiku mu ya e fu e
ba ya ko wona mi go no ya de fu
It's okay, we understand. We might ego not donate the matikwa. The both be the ticket ya debo.
Man,
just now.
Also, no way with visa. Any one idea, one gualo.
Ever since it can so not the eager to donate money. You know that something is fishy. This is the only way. Here, we are day. And both goggle you are all these years.
Emego. It's okay, Emego. This okay, winner.
All self what say, okay, pious. We boss till you get the muffin.
Data my way, Baba with the smile. I can hear Muyani. When you may have a go near me, moto, you can nega Muya. Eh, ya colo, I not tell a boking on my buffo, or ya here not you. You go not to
Yes,
the
now.
moto. Marevani, or this is your chance, your only material that you go gear. As you can, man, see a man, no, at the moto. At the Mofinas will go. You go ready, only ya, you go, only one you go gonna have the moto ni. Moto no deni. Oh, one
I
of
know
both, oh, one man at the Mofi and Bagboemi. Oh, can the pious.
Mema tabugwa.
a pious lab governor here will tell.
And I make a revan and Mogan no go now. One of the go no the go. Bishop can have for say. One of the now half one now. Only ya go to Timoto, the Timu. Or give it Timotoni. Ona Agwala no the pay Motoni. Or Timana, Matthew Semea. No end the Mofi. And when you the pay Imoto. Imoto no Denny.
Bro, at the moment not get account for Deutschland.
Me male like here.
Now Zenith Bank Nigeria account now the most they use.
At the Mofi me go. Emma cut a webo. A cut is so can low.
Although
The Mofi me one there. Maru webu.
when a YouTuber the most monetize account is okay eriyo. At both me personal account away with Germany.
Maru.
With the category we bank account with Germany with Nigeria account Zenith Bank. This Zenith Bank eriyo. Now we know. Actually, the Zenith Bank you're saying a Jama address always. It must be a Jama account.
Baba where this man.
Iya di go na di mo fi go ni ari na di mo fi ta wa ga ne mo non saniji.
Igo.
Ka wa ga ni aso ye ma kan ta di go jo e.
The Mofi.
O se na me mo gwa. E di mo fi mo gwa. O go di mo fi na yo toni. Iso ke bi ye yan mu na asisi go moda.
Ani e ti mo gwa be ni yan about tete no vie school. O ye ne last born so school ye bo pion anisan.
Me mo imakata mu gwa wa go ti bata.
Ivie you ma kunya na ku ina akwa owie ne 20 we school ya. Oh school. Abi BECKY was not get no his face school ye bo pion na ku we. Oh ya ro wa about not this school now.
Okay.
No in dey man e ku SF.
Okay.
Oh
matter
we get say wa oh wa ota ye lap oh ye bo pion wen. It's okay we wa me we oh honey. No one girlfriend. No so I was always girlfriend always girlfriend bra power na every honey wa me only yawu. Wa go say na oh ye bo pion wen oh ye bo pion ni san. Oh it's okay we ya wa lucky we wa we every honey nyani. Ya obe wen fu awo kan no mu yin wen.
Ivie ya no. Ija. Squad no, baby squad. Iye-eki. Adikape.
Obera ve mu. Eni alo be ke, eni alo be ke. O rin ti won. Gwa mi wo so wa o rin Dennis o makwe na siko, won ma siko.
Neve ya teme. Esa geje.
Wa baba we this man wa friend oku. E di Mofi now, e di Mofi ya ta mi so ken wo zo no mana mu eni e oni a friend e ba no ri oyigo. Just now, oh, bravo, hey. Everyone now.
So it's a mistake. Can you please disconnect me, please? Wow.
Ọmọ mi bota o.
Oya bota o.
Oje.
Nekere.
Ọ̀tá rí pọ̀ fún àwẹ̀dí àmá mi náà rí pọ̀ rún ẹ̀. Ìsọ̀kẹ́ wá sí gbóyè náà ká balẹ̀ kí ayọ̀ òwe wíwíkù. Ọmọ ẹ̀. Yẹn náà ká bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ̀pínò. Yẹn náà pick your hero yẹn náà ká hu ẹ̀. Ọ̀nà àkùyè tí mo fi ní báyìí.
Bàbá wẹ̀ tí mo fi sì gbó, ọ̀rẹ́ ọ sì gbó. Kàkàbọ̀ o, wọ́n náà dọ́fẹ́ bọ́ wọ́n yẹn sí gbó kiri mẹ́yẹ à. Ọ̀sìn náà. Ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀yà mọ́ ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ wọ́n ní ìsọ̀kẹ́ rẹ́mọ̀ ọ̀sì ọmọ ní ọmọ bá kí wọ́n sì gbó. Ẹ̀dí mo fi sì gbó náà.
Hello, good evening, Brother Frank.
Good evening.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I greet everybody.
We hear your greeting.
My name is Bridget. Bridget Shine. I am the elder sister to Vera, the Lady Young.
Okay.
She just spoke at this platform. I listened. And I went to also listen to Isoken's video that she made. Brother Frank, thank you. I am so happy that we didn't contact you before you bring up this matter. My sister only did some write-up in her platform. I don't know if that is a crime to Isoke. But I just want to say, through this your platform, please, give her a good message. Isoke, you know that we are a peaceful family. But when it comes to quarrel, we can also do it. I don't think you can beat Vera in anything, in saga, in anything, in any way. You can't beat Vera. That's for that. You made a video, it's okay. You lied. You lied so much. First, you say na a pass social media na all of they fine. Why must you always come up with such? I don't know. Maybe everybody no fit just be like you when you go yours they say okay. No, we were family. So I just make I tell you it's okay. If you lied on my sister, you know, and a pa know what I can do. I am not just elder sister, say to Vera. She's my junior sister and my best friend. If you lied on her, I personally will make sure you follow me to court to prove every statement that you made against my sister, which me and you know is a lie. So please, it's okay. Let it not come to that extent. Mary go be a lawyer. I am where my insurance. In my insurance lawyer you talk pay. Mary go lay real lawyer if you think where Rudy now will not pay. No, I will not pay for you because you don't work, and I don't pay because my insurance will cover me. I'm just saying it must not come to that. We only ask Imatitikwa our money. We don't call your name. We don't call a past social media name. We respected you people till this, or even during the time we went to arrest Imatitikwa. You know what displayed that Imatitikwa did. Ma arrest ma ibe yarigo bi ma bele rudo ma mi go ya bele gbo mi agbewa we se.
Jesus.
So please, I guess say a point na mewe adwa si le gbe hian. Uda we video ni no, you know where u talk and ya temo. I will forgive you for that. Ya forgive you because we are nakayaku. But please, it's okay. From today onward, we video concerning my sister, say the truth. Because K video, we can make from now on. He translates into Deutsch. He pay a CD. I'm here where I record pay. Aga when he translates he translates into Deutsch. I'm here I record a Dutch, a judge a lawyer where at lawyer me at we don't, it must not come to that. Wa hian saga oteme, who I vana so saga egbugwa. You hian gwan yo because say wa vaka hin. Wa saga egbugwa wa ko wari aga wa dame yo. But please, me go teme hian toge nya wa urude otu noje toge otu ni no de ba ni nya toge ba. I know she will not lie on you, but please don't lie on her. Don't lie on her. To nyai mi nuege e vera mau ge nyai wo we because we to our saga because I will take that video and I will translate it into Deutsch. I will go kek on yangbe. So please, it's okay. Let's be friends. Imye we iku last time iku ni majo. Ima iye be tuo we. Franke face re. I called you back. I hold your hands. I ask of your husband and your kids. That is how I was raised up. I don't cost children. No. That is too cheap. That is too cheap from you. Please. I guess stage na asile gbeje koti. E vera ga woga wudu toge nyanye. We tempo noje ana mega sile wa me lawyer e pay from my lawyers la wowo I carry by it past social media. I keep on saying it. It was as the a pie etie. He got a mute. Yeah, oh, mudada me then he be toy. Seve that respect ni yemene. You know we are very lovable family. But please, saga Ivera with a lies. Saga Ivera with what Rudo where Rude because you just want to talk. Saga with lies, please. Because I know every trick any Nigeria person will say on we set stand trial. Oh no, I am a German citizen and I knows which I can prove before every court. Over Nigeria mudadam they were on we set it stand a trial is a lie. We can imagine because I will prove it. So please, ima ona gbe na ladian na gbondo agima la wowo. It's okay. It's okay. Ma si matiti kwa iho mama si ni we. Mama tie we mama be tie payo. We even ya donut ne ni ya donut ne imeleru ni ya donut ne no be na hama. Uni go na 5,000 something euro here. Oh bolo ne na. I go convert it into naira. Ima mi ya wi ya ga lele beggars lele ring road. Inya bi agogo kian wo doni. So that is how life is. Please, it's okay. Gimawa settle down here. Ima titi kwa na igo. Ome maigo. So gima akpole. Ki ankoni ma akpole. Ivie kwe ni kabe kpolo vore Nigeria. You know what he play for Nigeria. You know. So I beg. May we forget that matter. When you do time we etagui. We are not quarreling. We pado is okay. We modo is okay. Just like the way we have always been. Pai Frank, thank you so much for listening to me. And I thank all the audience, all the publicum. Thank you so much. And may God richly bless every one of us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Well,
okay.
All right. Okay. My lovely people, I greet you all with better style. That's the elder sister of the lady that first of all called Vera. Where Esau can say he get 5 children, 5 fathers. Now yeah, that sister Belizo. This woman make one statement just now. That statement, I never even go there. Because I get to go there when I reach. I felt pause first. Or when I me be walk back. You could say can you yana ebo mu na enwe. Ikwe a sister not marriable on our be black. You get my point now. Ikuni okana. Ikuni igaye de we put analyze. When ikuni e ka post, e ma buni ma esilo loja ikuni. E me koso buni ma esilo loja ikuni. Re wa esilo loja. Be na ave mi ati e if I don't know back time na. Na mo me boladia. Mo me mwe. U duenu waru we itun api. Oni e mai ka bon money ladia. Tiens ye beg doni la itun api ma gbona, itun api ma gbona. I worry. Mais itun api yan itun api la dan fully. E itun api u ikuni do diagnose ya. Do vio body itun api botu. Itun api ki rose no ho arose ya de sekia. Otinyo ya yabo security. Ya bo picture me birthday. No when me la ereju emila. Ogbalegbe reju emila. Agaga. It's okay. No my dear. You see your life. You see even ya go wa what joke. It's time we okay now we lare this time around. Ariyo ya we saga o ge say. You understand? That's the reason why if you not bother for media. Your husband is one of the first person he cast on social media, Minister Space. Now, you are not crying on media that all big bloggers should please. Imagine Don Priest, no lie, they're not there. Don Priest might bet 3 months with TikTok. Don Priest might say 3 months with TikTok. You are not calling Don Priest a big blogger. You know, iye-eki 1 billion, Aladia. Which you are supposed to it's okay. Or that people know the biggest blogger, the Benin Space. Or that people supposed to be the biggest blogger, the Benin Space. What not make him now the lowest blogger, the lowest presenter because of lies? Because of Ogi. Even though Ogi see Ogi also your koto. On nous a told you, we told you, all the way on our told you, and what I don't know. You see everything I said about this whole scenario now come to reality because why? Oh, no information about you, boy. Information and confirmation code, oh, boy. There you drop a which you know the truth. Well, yes, even the men were turning it's of it to shut up, cover your mouth without even replying. It's better you don't even reply with men when what Gazu of him when you're or don't be careful on my money. Gazu, it's better than for you to come out. What you can do big defense, not the fully go, which is not bad. Come out. What you can do big defense.
Remember this okay. It's okay. Tell me. Oh, you believe. Oh, it's your boy. You're more bug with me.
God bless you.
Oh, you go yara. Eri mega ara Italian agua. Oh, dog no. Oh, it's your boy. You go to not only TV. Yo.
My brother, what do you expect? On the point something like video the on that TV, but we work.
Iya we ayo dabo. Ija wa ayo dabo. Oma iye mami mi wu. Ye nwem na ye mu ni e bedan no boni. O ibagbe bedan e. Di ma mi go.
On you hear on she pay with kind.
Yes, he pay with anything no even.
No. Yes, sir. Thanks for the gift.
Ija no iria. Iji so kan iria ni ade webo.
Asaboro.
Imagine we visa. We visa ni isoken. Isoken we ma won ga iria. Esi ma iria do no ada fun de no de visa no je soken ya ade. Isoken ala webo agwa idegbe no ya degbe are dogiro.
Odo gege Satarush. Satarush
isoken we de we ma irie Melissa no friend dey me. We no ya de wisoken ma ye Nigeria de wa ye Melissa la wa ko ni scheme we had the ticket ni soken we ye Nigeria. Di mo fi ma inie. Boy am go e. Omo na winner. E just enter you know okay, only gbera 18 na. Agi asa no ni. Ya aga ye gbera 18, aga ni yan yari fidie. Because in me 2 room, a room and a parlor yan ye. 5 children. E we are to do ipa. Ipa le di mo fi. E di mo fi awon to tai da le da share ni. E ma no we na ri e. E ma no bi aji. Yani ke kun gbe iwo wa no ke wo do.
Me mata mo wa.
Okay, we this okay our video we take this okay our video kitchen. One hour we parlor ba show parlor like I me na eti we video we parlor me ni yo tai mo. When then on my way kitchen. For
we bed ni na ba.
Na de bed na si spring ga no. Atete na de bed we na de bed ma. Again if you ya we show wa. Na me say man no ya ko kigo I show too much in my career.
You go not team mu Nigeria get the mo Nigeria. Not sure bed go.
Oh, tie mari go ne. Ige na ne we yes so ere so magba wa ya college go. Hey, I'm the
best side.
Yeah, apply you go ya. So magba. Oh yeah, me go no ya de beti wa we no de beti. We ya la wa do
ani. Igati campaign. Atase.
Oni ya go na.
Campaign no.
Oni ya go na ya apply le ya pay 2000 go ya pay.
Ro. This is a raw.
Oh well.
Handicapé.
Ati mo fi jukmo. We ma be mi no jo we de tampoli. Na ya mogun. Okay, ina we go edi mo fi be change go nu gba ni dagolden. We me e jealousy me e de go. Ona ya time yes we ya de go ni me ya de na we me. When me came na go na. Ina we order na edi mo fi be change go we be black. Agwa honey wa gba ni bio do gba. Anyway, me areva Frank when we know the mother be mapu. Oh, ya bi ohun. Ogun webo. Oh, why won dan. Oh, ate boni je the mother we ya pe mapu. E the mother ya intermane. Oh, we ta wa Aproko iwe ipa gun. Oh, we na yi bono ko. Oh, no go na ogun ije. Oh, the mother be ti am go we. Oh, ti am. Show you that boy. We no go to man. I the mother put my economic ave money why. Oh, go ije me mapu. E the mother ya pe mapu. I didn't remember that. Yes, I see con movie where I hear Bonoko.
Oh, Cora.
Simon, you mareva. I'll mess on. Emily talking Wale Magbela Jollof. That's one woman.
Okay.
Wafo, at the moment, it's okay. Wale, you may tell I know late when I'm when my wife view me ladian. Any man no here. Now, if you want a ladian, if you know where if you don't know if you don't live and I don't live, eh? It's okay. We mess. Oh, it's okay. Not do I? Am I that? No, we my love woman. I don't want me. I know. I know. Moya, you want to me? I'm here. I was shopping. My I was shopping. Out here, not drive. I'm done my money. Okay, I can what you have. I want to hear what you have the motor. But I'll take iye-eki. What? Ah, somebody hear what? I told you have to one level.
And a get a give a mata get a gig.
I know what you have the Mercedes. Man, be my way not there. Young lady, I had the family. Had the here with the mafia had the had the Nino Waji. Had the Yaji. Well, because we also at the mafia had the Nini's. Had the Yaji. I say, when it's your tea war, yeah, it's a good one. Oh, we're not bad. Hey, you have your boy, you know, you don't want to you're my boca. Everybody. Oh, man, we are not work, man. I haven't done my man. Oh, Bonnie, obey that hand. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. This is what man at that age.
Precious to say my corner. And what's that?
Only no have a transaction. Yes, square million. Here at the police. From police. A police are not only one year school. Or don't live and the square of me. Well, you only know me more now. A prisoner in here now. Only 1 minute. I mean,
the bass or you give what princess in my own. He went an hour better than the Mofiana when the prisoner a black card in the princess not bene. The bosta glile. Princess go via when he egg be. Ah, in a way, where? Ije, it may make bonate. Did the muffin about boot stepping on about stumble and phone, neither one, don't know what. The muffin will sorry. In Agia. There, the Guia do Asagave. It's the muffin like iye-eki so Capumia de firstly de lao, Muna, 150 no Janu, Sen, why I did partner. Mekowa no amo jagbe. Could you believe we after it's okay? I do like no vision of a partner ya uni. More leva 7 days igbeba. Imagine winner. You are where?
Why are we having here? I got
now.
Ija, mena ye double the car. Oh, we have no mama.
We have to repeat.
Oh, that's the home man. I taxi.
You get to do it.
Oh, the dog baby gets.
Not you have been up.
No, Savesi me.
You better. I don't hear some beanie. No,
Utane.
The only one here. Why? Oh, you know, I don't.
Ina we salon boy. Na kwa na iye ba. Iso edmo fina we so ke mo anyok pa me wanyo ni. Owa o so ke na wa tule mo na wa ri reve. O me yi wa elele ye ke me here adame because me amogba yan won me gwa won amogba na me won vivo. So ke mari me ruwe supermarket so ke na kwa ya ona wa mo anyo. Ona wa zie o te karelo na age na wa. Eti gina do danyo. Me to do ze to wa ya do mu small bottle or Jack Daniel. Ona mo di wa. Me so wa. E na age no so okay. O wa we waste chop 50 bag no jena. Mama mi anyone na we wa isu danyo ni kina wa nyona na ka me do funa. Yimu wa manyugwa. Nufa egbiso ke wa we wo mete meta nyero wana. Ni na we ya manyoko so ke mari posik bayon ware. Isoke Maria Posi by your worry about Toya Daniel. Oji, Oge, Ogba Bisoke, O Shawo, Awe Kireo, Aye Hoegeo, Isoke Neya, and Ivie Waveje, O Bisoke and Warioni. Kaka Bera, because we were paying a gwe. No panoron ni beshile no roni ni bobosi kwa biwe ni mekana simi no wa original carry con follow con oni we are what to talk was your boy wo he
we my okay baba with this man we man one day wa arowa otwene ho arowa eta se otema no ho akọ temo no we wa agbe o when ya o ye no ho ni iya mistake si ayo wa kero tie ni pia agwa wa no ma we ma aliku we agu moto na na so tie ma kan wa we otwene ho re ma wa aga o agwa aya agwa leke moyi ma agwa leke na moyi ne ake aliku aya mo koma kakabo iye-eki ya o amwe no ya somo ho ni akere tie ni pia
iya wa we
o we aya maka we ni ni gya wa
I'm gonna better UK. I'm gonna better UK.
I saw money. Okay, when other area now down mama that now. We giare pachopa. No one must aru moto. See I care to your wa. I saw no one like no money. Was someone at the same don't want to come, mama.
Uba Yabuki Melissa.
Oh, good only day. Yes, now good only day. Although driving lever. Oh, no, oh, honey. Well, where? Hey, get me fine boy. I only one. We are going to jump.
Back. We are going to say things now.
We are for where? Where my Okwana no be me, no be more than no reference ni amu ready. Oh, my love one. Oh, my day get to time. It's okay. One perfume. A perfume now. You want like it? You want one moment? I been a warning. Because only like pala we man the muffin wa go even stage even waje
where does be
ono ma na perfume wa monare adowe generator so the muffin for so ma witi musori ho na e gbe na iwe me wa de o ina ma di mo fi na mata no e di ene tesa dota e gbenyo we gbe wa de e ho na wa mo